Today, I'm going to show you how I built an automated system that completely transforms long-form podcasts and YouTube videos into endless social media clips. Say goodbye to the endless stress of manual editing and the high costs of per-clip fees. This system acts like your own personal clip factory that runs almost completely hands-free. Just drop in your episode, and the machine automatically churns out, ready to post shorts, reels, and TikToks. The framing, the cropping, and the captions are all handled perfectly for you. Let me show you a quick example of a 45-minute podcast interview turned into high-engagement social clips. The system crops everything into a vertical format, centers on the speaker, and adds professional, social-ready captions. You end up with a collection of high-quality, publish-ready pieces that perform well across all your channels. We are going to cover everything from the database management to the lightweight server handling the heavy lifting. If you are tired of manually scrubbing through hours of video, this workflow will save you massive amounts of time. The secret sauce involves Airtable for management, Make for automation, and a self-hosted media toolkit on a DigitalOcean Droplet. Why host it yourself instead of using a subscription service? Commercial tools can get incredibly expensive, especially as your content volume starts to scale up. By hosting the toolkit yourself, you only pay a few dollars a month for a server and get complete control over your assets. Let's start with step 1, where you create an Airtable base to keep track of all your videos and clips. Next, we provision our media API on a DigitalOcean Droplet to handle the transcription and the video processing. Make sure you connect your cloud storage so all your generated files have a secure home. Now, perform a smoke test using Postman to ensure your server is authorized and responding correctly. Then, set up an automation in Make that triggers every time you add a new video to your database. We use a webhook callback so the system doesn't time out while processing those long transcription files. Once we have the transcript, we use an AI model to intelligently suggest the most compelling segments for social media. The trick is to use an AI for the creative selection, but a deterministic parser for the exact timestamps. After we have the segments, the automation creates individual clip records in Airtable. Now comes the actual cutting, where we crop the video and use face detection to keep the speaker centered. Finally, we add burned-in captions that look professional and are highly accurate. For the finishing touch, we import these ready-to-go clips into Wizard for scheduling and publishing. Wizard centralizes your distribution, allowing you to manage multiple channels without juggling different tools. One pro tip is to use short sample videos when you're first testing your automation workflow. Always keep your file storage organized so you can quickly debug if something doesn't look right. This entire setup gives you massive flexibility and complete privacy for your raw content. Whether you're building your own personal brand or running an agency, this machine is a game changer. I'll link the Airtable templates and the workflow scenarios in the description so you can copy this for yourself. You don't need to be a software engineer to get this up and running, just follow the steps. It's all about building a system that lets you focus on content, not the technical editing grind. If you found this useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more automation tips. Drop a comment and let me know how your clipping machine turns out.